Good morning students, welcome to the Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss assignment 27 from the lesson natural resources. The topic is minerals conservation, a vital concern, conservation groups. So this is the last assignment of 10th class biology textbook. So then onwards, now onwards, we are going next assignment onwards, we are going to discuss about environmental education. Okay, so this is the last assignment of textbook. Okay, right. Now this consists of 4 objective type questions and 4 very short answer questions and 2 short answer questions. Let us see what are the questions and their answers. The first question is, identify the group belongs to save the environment. So here A, remove, record, research, reckless. No. So next one, reduce, reuse, recycle, recover. Right. This is the B. So answer is B. So what is that? The group belongs to save the environment. Reduce, reuse, recycle, recover. Next question. Read the sentence and correct the underlined word. That means underlined word is wrong, we have to correct it. In the United States, nearly 2/3 of the iron produced comes from recycled automobiles. Not 2/3, it is 1/3. Okay? Yes. Now, third question. In dash, can manufacturers recycle many raw materials used in making automobiles? In Japan, manufacturers recycle. Okay? Car manufacturing actually. In Japan, car manufacturers recycle many raw materials used in making automobiles. Yes. Now fourth one. I am Prime Minister of India in 1980s. Who gave speech on conservation of all forms of life? Who am I? So here Indira Gandhi. Who is she? She was Indira Gandhi in 1980s. Okay, right. Now, fifth question is, what is the full form of MTR? MTR means M for mountain, T for top, R for removal. Mountain top removal. What is that actually? Mining. Mountain top removal mining. Now, which activities undercomes reduce the usage of energy? Reduce the usage of energy. Okay. Repairing. Which activities? Number 1, repairing leaking taps. Repairing leaking taps. And another one, reducing or avoiding shower bath. Avoiding shower bath. That means more water consumption. No, shower bath means. And the third one is switch off unnecessary lights and fans. Okay, what is that? Switch off unnecessary lights and fans. Unnecessary lights and fans. Okay. Yes. Next, how is mining methods pollute the resources? When the people are doing the mining, then automatically toxic chemicals spoil the air and water. They get mixed with the water and air. So, while doing mining, okay, toxic chemicals get mixed with air and water, and pollute the resources and pollute them. Okay. What are the 4 R's to save the environment? 4 R's. One is reduce. Next one is reuse. Next one is recover. Reduce, reuse, recover, and last one is recycle. Okay. So these are the 4 R's to save the environment. Next, short answer questions. What is IUCN? What is its objective? IUCN stands for International Union for Conservation of Nature. IUCN, International, U for Union, International Union for Conservation. Conservation of nature. International Union for Conservation of Nature. What is its objective? Its objective is to protect the wildlife and habitat. Objective, its objective. IUCN objective. Objective is to protect wildlife and habitat. Okay? Yes. Now, next question, last question. Draw the logo of Recycle. Recycle logo. Okay? Yes. Let us see how to draw Recycle logo. So this is the logo of recycle. That means paper, plastic or glass. We can again and again use them, use that material to produce further materials. So this is the symbol of recycling. So thank you.